Hi, it's Andy here at FOTGA Video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Panasonic Lumix S9, a small camera which packs a massive punch. It's a hybrid shooter's dream, almost. Because there's one killer feature which is bafflingly missing from this compact powerhouse: the glorious 6K photo mode. So, what is 6K photo mode and why might you want to use it? Well, recently I uploaded a video to my channel where I explain what the 6K photo mode is, what the benefits are of it, on my Panasonic Lumix S9. And if you want to watch that video, you can see it in the link up here. Picture this, for example, a dog jumping for a frisbee, a split-second expression, that perfect vlog moment. If you shoot a still, you get just one chance. If you shoot a video, you get a beautiful clip, but pulling a high-res image from that clip is usually a clumsy post-production chore. 6K photo mode is the legendary Panasonic cheat code. It essentially shoots 5.2 or 6K video in 30 frames per second, but it packages it so that you can go back into it in camera and extract 18 megapixel JPEG images from any of those 30 frames per second, right there and then in camera. It turns your camera into a time machine. You don't just capture the moment, you capture the perfect millisecond of the moment. Where did it go? My Panasonic Lumix S9 and my Lumix S5D both have the feature. So if this feature is so amazing, why has it gone from the Lumix S9? That, my friends, is the million-dollar question. But let's look at the Panasonic family members which do have this 6K photo mode, because this is a staple feature across much of the Lumix range, particularly in the hybrid cameras like the Lumix S series full frame and the G series micro 4/3. Cameras like the S5 IIX, the S5 II and the S1H, the GH6, the GH5 and the G9. Any of those cameras allow you to shoot video and stills at the same time in the 6K photo mode, to effortlessly separate your hero photo from your video clip. It's an absolute game changer for anybody who needs to deliver stills and video from the same take. Not having the 6K photo mode on the Panasonic Lumix S9 is a massive missed opportunity. And here's why it hurts content creators. Firstly, you risk missing crucial moments in fast-paced or unpredictable scenes, as you're limited to slower burst modes or relying on luck to capture the image. Secondly, extracting stills from your video clips involves a cumbersome post-production process, defeating the camera's intended quick workflow. This lack of still image extraction in camera creates friction in your workflow, especially since the S9 is designed for rapid mobile content creation. Lastly, the absence of 6K photo mode also means losing features like post-focus and focus stacking mode, which are valuable for creative control. Panasonic, please, if you're listening, hear my plea. Bringing the 6K photo mode to the Panasonic Lumix S9 in a later firmware update would be one of the most powerful feature additions that you could make to this amazing little camera. The hardware is already capable of it. It shoots 6K video. This is a software workflow feature that turns a great camera into a legendary content creation tool. It aligns perfectly with the S9's DNA. Small size, powerful output, and lightning-fast workflow. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Let's make the Lumix S9 the ultimate hybrid shooter that it was always intended to be. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you found this video interesting and useful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more photography and camera-related content. You'll find affiliate links to gear used in the making of this video in the description section down below. As an Amazon associate, I will receive a small commission on qualifying purchases, but the price to you will be the same, and you'll be supporting the channel, helping me to continue creating content for you. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe, and see you in the next videos.